Actually, I'm now obsessed with S and M play. Yesterday, I bought this toy handcuff, and now I always carry them around as a good luck charm.
Seriously? You give me the clips, but let me see them a second. I throw them away for your sake. Forgive me, okay?
Hey, stop! They are important to me!
It hurts! What's the wrong?
Do you have the key? Take them off right now!
I don't have any key!
Oh no. My day in hell begins. First of all, I'm hungry.
Yeah, hungry.
Let's eat. Hey, I want to take a shit. Let's go to restroom.
I don't want to go with you! No way! I'm getting into a toy store with you.
Shut up. It's a later guest time. Let's go.
Takumi! Don't take off your pants!
I have to lie.
No, Takumi! Don't do it! Don't start!
Oh, he has the cars.
You see, everyone, in my travels around the world, I've learned that all the animals are divided into two types. There's the one type which, when you are completely naked, you can step up behind them and there will be no danger. And then there's the other type which will rip off your genitals and hit you in the face with it. Now here are two interesting species. Can anyone tell me which one is which?
Oh. Yes, I can answer! Please call me!
Stop doing that. You are disturbing my nap time.
Hey, you guys, stop with the nonsense. Get out of my classroom.
Oh, there's no escape at all. All the nasty things happen one after another.
What are you talking about? Oh, did something bad happen to you? Okay, I see. And certainly I can help you. I am a hentai veteran with more than 50 years of hentai experience. So I will be happy to help you. My name is Conrad Weisenza.
Really? We are so lucky to take a class.
I'm sorry, I told everyone that you are city teacher.
Huh?
Shh! He's gonna help us! Hey, fuck you, man!
Remove handcuff tool.
Yeah! We are free! Thank you! Hentai veteran teacher!
Oh, no, never mind. That's why I'm here.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's Professor Weisenza. He is famous for hentai.
Yes, thank you. Thank you all.